Hello, fellas. Today we will see how to remove the car from the pack without damaging the blister pack. For that I have chosen Majorette Toyota Hiace. It is sealed. Let's take a bottle of acetone, or you can say nail polish remover. Open it and apply the liquid to the back of the pack blister. Then apply the liquid from the front side in line with the blister till the blister gets fully wet. Now wait for a bit.
A few moments later.
Now hold the card by one hand and try to pull the blister upward by the other hand from the bottom side. You can see that the blister is now coming off the card without any damage to the card nor the blister. And this way the card can be easily removed without damaging the card. You can also put the car back inside the blister and take it out as and when needed. So guys, that's all in this video. Keep watching vids by Introvert. Cheers!